Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a blank Google Maps screen in your Chrome browser. If you've been struggling with this issue, you're not alone, and fortunately there's a straightforward solution that involves clearing your browser's site data. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your Chrome browser and direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can manage everything from your appearance preferences to advanced configurations. Once you're in the settings page, look over to the left side of the screen where you'll find a navigation panel. Here, click on Privacy and Security. This section is essential because it controls how Chrome handles your browsing data, cookies, and site permissions. It's where we'll make the necessary adjustments to resolve the blank Google Maps issue. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll see several options related to how Chrome manages your data. Look for the option labeled Third-Party Cookies and click on it. This setting controls how websites can store and access cookies from other domains, which sometimes causes conflicts with certain web applications like Google Maps. After clicking on Third-Party Cookies, you'll be presented with more detailed options. Here, find and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. This will open a comprehensive view of all the data that various websites have stored in your browser. It includes cookies, cached files, and other site-specific information that might be causing Google Maps to display incorrectly. Now comes the crucial step. Click on Delete All Data. This action will remove all stored site data and permissions from your browser. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with this deletion. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental data loss, so make sure you're ready to clear everything before continuing. Go ahead and click Delete on the confirmation message. Your browser will now clear all the accumulated site data. This process might take a moment depending on how much data has been stored over time. Once it's complete, the blank Google Maps screen issue should be resolved. The problem often occurs due to corrupted or conflicting cookie data, and clearing it gives Google Maps a fresh start. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the blank Google Maps screen issue by clearing your Chrome browser's site data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.